Alright, Jeremy, here's the 572 Hemi. Your description of this combination. It's got Indy cylinder heads on it. Got the Indy intake, fuel carburetor, custom grind solid roller, on fan, got the March gate belt set up. We'll make a run, see what it does. Stay tuned. Okie doke, 3,400 or 605 foot-pounds of torque, peak torque, looks like 96. Peak horsepower 690, so everything's good. We'll pull the pipes back, make sure it's good and clean, show you a couple of things here. Receive your engine. This thing looks like a credit card. It's a USB card. It is full of technical information, and the engine crate will be this engine spec sheet. It'll have a lot of stuff on it. I highly recommend reading it. Have a great day.